Many languages don't have the English W sound, W, or they pronounce it with the V sound, V. Because of this, words such as these are pronounced incorrectly. How would you say these words? The incorrect pronunciations are vi, vil, vin. The correct pronunciations are we, will, win. We, will, win. Now you try. To make the English W sound, W, what you need to do is position your lips as if you're just about to whistle or kiss, but leave a slight gap. And then what you need to do is blow the air from your throat through your lips and open your mouth slightly more. W.
We will win the match if we train hard.